Sophie, let's play hide and seek. Open the orange cup. Orange. What is this?
Pizza.
Say, it's a black cat.
A black cat.
It's a black cat.
It's a black cat.
Okay. Now open the yellow cup. Sophie, open the yellow cup. What is this? It's a donkey.
It's a jockey.
Yeah. What color is it? Donkey. What color is it?
White.
White and gray. White and gray. Okay.
What's that?
White
Gray.
and gray.
White, gray. Gray.
Okay. Now open the blue cup. What is this? It's a dog.
It's a dog.
It's a brown dog.
It's a brown dog.
Okay. Now open a blue cup. Light blue. A blue cup. And one more blue cup. This one. Open the blue cup. What is this? It's...
Carrot.
Yeah, it's a carrot. What color is it? What color is it?
Orange is green.
Yeah, it's orange and green. Okay, now... Carrot. Red. Okay.
It's red.
And red. Yes, orange, green and red. Now, open the red cup. What's this?
Ball.
Yeah, it's a ball. Say, it's a small ball. Маленький. Small. It's a small ball. Okay. Yeah, it is jumping. It is jumping. Now, open the pink cup. What's this? It's a fluffy. Say, it's a yellow fluffy. Okay. Now, open the green cup. Oh, what's this? It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit. What color is it?
White. It's a pink.
Yeah.
It's a red.
Red. Yes. White, pink and red. Now, open a green cup. Dark green. This one. What's this?
Banana.
Yeah, it's a banana. What color is it?
Yellow is green.
Okay, yellow and green.
Stop.
Great. Thank you very much. Hello. Let's see what you have in your surprise boxes. Now, stop. Where is your black cat? Black cat. Is it in the white box? No. Is it in the yellow banana? No. Is it in the blue bottle? Is it in the black bag? Let's open it. Yeah, it's a black cat. Say, it's a black cat.
It's a black cat.
Cat. Where is your rabbit? Where is your rabbit? Where is it? Is it in the yellow banana? No, it's in the box. No, it's in the blue bottle. Yeah, it's a rabbit. Say, it's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
What color is it?
White. It's rabbit. It's pink.
Yeah, it's white and pink. And red? Okay, I see. Yeah, here is your rabbit in the blue bottle. Say, it's a blue bottle. Sophie. Okay, where is your flower? Flower, where is your flower? Here is it.
Flower.
Flower, right. Where is your ball? Is it in the banana? It's in the box. Say, it's a ball.
It's a ball.
Okay, and what is there in the banana? Open the banana, please. What is in there? What is it?
It's a doll.
Yeah, it's a doll. Show me your doll. Where is the doll? Покажи куколку. Show the doll, please. Достань из банана куколку. Where is the doll? Here is it. And what is here? Open this bottle, please. Oh, box. Open this. Huh, what is this?
Yeah.
What is this? What is that? It's a dog.
Еду.
It's a dog.
Еду.
Okay, thank you. Well, Sophie, let's play a surprise bag. What is in our bag? Put your hand. What is this?
Белая мышка.
Say, is it a mouse? It's a mouse? Let's see.
Сейчас. Ой, rabbit.
It's, yeah, say it once again. It's
Rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Во.
It's a rabbit. Say hello, rabbit.
Rabbit.
Now, what is in our bag?
Mm,
What is inside?
It's a pig.
A pig. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a pig. A piggy. Okay, put your hand into the bag. What is inside? What is it? Don't look. What is it? Just touch. Touch.
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit? Let's see.
Ой, это...
What is it?
it's dog.
It's a dog. Okay, show it to me. It's a dog.
Давай рисуем.
What a nice dog.
Смотри, сколько у меня лягушек.
Don't look. Don't look. What is in the bag? What is in the bag? What is it? Do you remember? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? Is it a monkey? Okay, show it to me. Say, it's a monkey. Hello, monkey. Is it a baby monkey? Rock the monkey. Hug and rock. Rock like a baby. Say, it's a baby. It's a baby. Kiss the monkey. Okay. What a nice monkey we have. One more toy in our secret bag. What is it? What is it? Is it a chicken? Is it a duck? Okay, say it's a duck. It's a towel duck. Look, it's a towel duck. You can put your hand into the duck. Put your hand into the duck. Yeah.